All right, so in earlier examples, we basically wrote a query that asked a question that only really involved one table. So the relational aspect of databases wasn't really tested. So here we're going to do that. So I'm going to connect to my local SQL server once again. I could specify the Chinook database here, and the Chinook database is all these different tables, but I'm going to leave it optional. So I'm not going to specify which database. So hopefully it'll recognize which is the right database uh, depending on which question I ask. So here I'm going to ask the question, what are the top three selling genres in Chinook data? Okay. And I think this will involve joins between different tables to answer this question as to what are the top three selling genres. So it's going to think a little bit and then going to write this code. And here's some explanation. This is the response that the LLM generated, and then on the right hand side we have the code pulled into this window, which is editable. So I can, so for example, instead of top three, I could do top five. I could kind of edit this, and let's see if it runs. So it's involving multiple different tables: invoice, line, track, genre, top three selling genres. So rock, Latin, and metal. So we have our answer here. Um, and let me demonstrate another thing. Let's say I do something wrong here. Let's say I leave this blank, so it's just stop. So I made an error here, and try to run it. It gives me an error here. And then I can click on the retry button and it will try and fix this error. See, it fixed it. Now it's back to top three, and now I can run it, and I'll get my answer. So, I mean, this is kind of artificially. I was messing with the code, but sometimes the code output it produces, when you try and run it, it'll produce an error. But I was just wanted to show how you can kind of recover from that. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in a future video.